Drip, drip, trickle, trickle, drip, drip. Drip, drip, trickle, trickle, drip.
Hello?
I fucked you, I fucked Andrew, I fucked Frank, that's what I do, I fuck.
Bleeding all over the mic.
Hello?
Stick your cock up her ass, you motherfucking worthless cocksucker.
He said it. That's mine.
Small.
How small?
Too small.
Well, size isn't everything.
3 inches.
Well,
Hard.
is he a good kisser?
Oh, who the fuck cares? His dick is like a gherkin. Why does he have to have a small dick? I love a big dick. I love it inside of me. I love looking at it. I love everything about it. I love a big dick.
Hello?
I didn't ask for the anal probe. I didn't ask for the anal probe. I didn't ask for the anal probe. I didn't ask for the anal probe.
Hello?
No, why don't you talk dirty to me?
I don't know what to say, right?
Come on.
Why do you make me so bad? I'm gonna work this.
Yeah, work it.
I'm gonna make this mine. I'm gonna piss on your face. Too dirty?
Hello?
It's not safe out. People are shaving their crotches as we speak. There is pubic hair in the air everywhere. I love it. I love it. Big dick, big dick, big dick, big dick, big dick.
That's what I do. I fuck, fuck. I didn't ask for the anal probe.
There is pubic hair in the air everywhere. Pubic hair everywhere, everywhere.
Hello?
But the worst thing I ever done, I mixed up all this fake puke at home. And then I was in this movie theater, hid the puke in my jacket, climbed up to the balcony, and then I made a noise like this. And then I dumped it over the side. And all the people in the audience, then this was horrible. All the people started getting sick and throwing up all